Palo Alto Networks System Engineer Professional, Strata PSE Strata exam updated dumps are available for you to study. Share some Palo Alto Networks PSE Strata exam updated dumps here. 1. Which built-in feature of PAN-OS allows the NGFW administrator to create a policy that provides auto-remediation for anomalous user behavior and malicious activity while maintaining user visibility? A. Dynamic user groups, DUGs. B. Tagging groups. C. Remote device user ID groups. D. Dynamic address groups, DAGs. 2. Which three mechanisms are valid for enabling user mapping? Choose 3. A. Captive portal. B. Domain server monitoring. C. Reverse DNS lookup. D. User behavior recognition. E. Client probing. 3. Which statement best describes the business value of Palo Alto Networks Zero-Touch Provisioning, ZTP? A. It is designed to simplify and automate the onboarding of new firewalls to the Panorama Management Server. B. When it is in place, it removes the need for an on-site firewall. C. When the service is purchased, Palo Alto Networks sends an engineer to physically deploy the firewall to the customer environment. D. It allows a firewall to be automatically connected to the local network wirelessly. 4. What are 2 ways to manually add and remove members of dynamic user groups, DUGs? Choose 2. A. Add the user to an external dynamic list, EDL. B. Tag the user using Panorama or the web URL of the firewall. C. Tag the user through the firewall's XML API. D. Tag the user through Active Directory. 5. The Palo Alto Networks Cloud Identity Engino, C, includes which service that supports identity providers, LDP? A. Directory Sync and Cloud Authentication Service that support IDP on SAML 2.0 and OAuth 2. B. Cloud Authentication Service that supports IDP using SAML 2.0 and OAuth 2. C. Directory Sync and Cloud Authentication Service that support IDP ing SAML 2.0. D. Directory Sync that supports IDP using SAML 2.0. 6. A customer is starting to understand their Zero Trust Protect surface using the Palo Alto Networks Zero Trust Reference Architecture. What are 2 steps in this process? Choose 2. A. Validate user identities through authentication. B. Gain visibility of and control over applications and functionality in the traffic flow using a port and protocol firewall. C. Categorize data and applications by levels of sensitivity. D. Prioritize securing the endpoints of privileged users because if non-privileged user endpoints are exploited, the impact will be minimal due to perimeter controls. 7. What are 3 key benefits of the Palo Alto Networks platform approach to security? Choose 3. A. Operational efficiencies due to reduction in manual incident review and decrease in mean time to resolution, MTTR. B. Improved revenue due to more efficient network traffic throughput. C. Increased security due to scalable cloud-delivered security services, CDSS. D. Cost savings due to reduction in IT management effort and device. 8. Which component is needed for a large-scale deployment of NGFWs with multiple Panorama Management Servers? A. M600 appliance. B. Panorama Interconnect plugin. C. Panorama Large-Scale VPN (LSVPN) plugin. D. Palo Alto Networks cluster license. 9. What is an advantage of having WildFire machine learning (ML) capability inline on the firewall? A. It eliminates of the necessity for dynamic analysis in the cloud. B. It enables the firewall to block unknown malicious files in real time and prevent patient zero without disrupting business productivity. C. It is always able to give more accurate verdicts than the cloud ML analysis, reducing false positives and false negatives. D. It improves the CPU performance of content inspection. 10. A customer worried about unknown attacks is hesitant to enable SSL decryption due to privacy and regulatory issues. How does the platform address the customer's concern? A. It overcomes reservations about SSL decrypt by offloading to a higher capacity firewall to help with the decrypt throughput. B. It shows how autofocus can provide visibility into targeted attacks at the industry sector. C. It allows a list of websites or URL categories to be defined for exclusion from decryption. D. It bypasses the need to decrypt SSL traffic by analyzing the file while still encrypted.